Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will write a program which will have two functions overloads. The functions are called division and both have two parameters. They divide the parameters and return the result to themselves. The first function overload will be of type int and has two parameters of type int. The second function will be of type double and accept two parameters of type double. We are going to invoke the appropriate overload in our main function by supplying integer argument, and then we are going to pass in double arguments. Let's see how to do it. First, I'm going to add our division function for with int parameters. I already have included iostream string and using namespace std, and I have our main function int main, and then I'm going to over here before main I'm going to define and implement our division function div, and on our division, and it will take two parameters int a int b, and in this function we are just going to divide a by b and return the result. Return a divided by b, and then I'm going to add our another function. So this will have the same name but different return type and parameter type. It's going to be over here. Oh, there's just need to copy that, copy and just paste and modify the return and parameter type to be of double. So this will be double. We are going to return a double and also take double over here. And now in our main function, I'm going to call the first function with integer parameters. And just to scroll down a bit in our main function here, just use cout to print out cout, and int division or integer division. And here I'm just going to call the integer with the integer parameters or arguments over here. Just I'm going to copy this division and scroll down and paste it over here and pass in some int values such as 10 and 5, and then print the new line character end of line. I will just copy this line and modify it by passing in the double or float values over here. I'm just going to and 10.0 and 5.0. Just going to change this one to some other values, so just 9, so we can see the different result. And going to save it and run our program. And after I run the program, we can see the result of our two functions with a different uh, parameters of data type and return type. So this way we can use overload functions in C++. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.